Alright, hello guys. Today I'm going to be telling you how to install OSU Lazer client on Mac 2021 edition. So first up, you're gonna go to this website, link in the description, and you wanna press osu.app.zip. Alright, so it'll be downloading, and once it's done, unzip it by clicking it twice. Alright, so it's done. Now I just click it twice and it's going to unzip it. Alright, so you have osu.app, so you could either run it from here or drag it into your applications so you can run it from your applications. Now double click osu.app. So it's going to verify for me. And then if you see this, just press open. Or if you see cannot be opened because from unidentified developer, go to System Preferences. Oh, 1 second. Go to System Preferences, Security and Privacy. So don't press in Trash. 1 second. So don't press Trash, but go to General and then press Cancel for the thing. Then it'll say Open Anyway. Then once you're here, you have OSU running. And then, since I just deleted it and reinstalled it, I'm already logged in. It'll say guest here, and then you just log in. And if you have OSU and you want to import it, you just have to go to Settings here, go to Debug, and then press Import Beatmaps, Scores, Skins, or Collections from your stable. Alright, thanks for watching. If you have any questions, comment down below. Like, share, subscribe. Bye-bye. See you guys next time. Also, sorry for not uploading that much.